Hey, YouTube.
Made a like a little slim bait.
CheezeBurger. All right, buddy. Love you. Bye.
I love it.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have some incredible news. This morning at 6:30, 7 a.m. in the morning, this boat was filled up with water because of the rain. So what I did is I marked a line inside of the boat to see if any water would drain out, because the entire front half of the boat is water. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the line I marked right there. And that water is, and you can't really see it, but it is right at the line. And the boat still filled with rainwater. That is incredible news. So today I finally got, finally got the drain plug from Amazon. So that's what we're gonna do. I got my drill, got my marine weld to seal it up. Got one of these bad boys. It's one that doesn't fall out unless you unscrew it all the way, but like, that didn't make any sense anyways, but it just kind of sits loosely in there. Threaded there. You can tighten it up. Or whatever. So yeah, that's that. Got the 1 inch. I'm hoping this goes to aluminum. We're gonna see. But here we go. We're gonna drill out the drain plug. No bueno. Why am I doing this all goofy? There we go. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, we have success. Check that bad boy out. That is perfect right there. That is perfect. I should read the instructions. It's 50-50. Equal parts. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't dry on me. What's setup time? Sets in 4 to 6 hours. Oh, we're good, dude. We're good. Of course it doesn't fit. Ladies and gentlemen, oh, it looks from the underneath. Oh yeah, looks pretty good under there, doesn't it? Look at that. I don't think we got anything in there, so that's good. So there's that, everybody. How's that make you feel? Makes me feel real good. I'm gonna put some gloves on. I'm gonna touch up underneath. I mean, we gotta be watertight. We have to be watertight. There's just no way we're not watertight. So It's like saying watertight because it was such a long road to get to be able to be say the water to be the watertight. Anyways, drain plug installed. Not bad for a rookie. I used a lot of epoxy, but I think that's a good thing. I don't know how this boat made it 53 years without a back drain plug in it. Just this huge underneath fella. Just a huge fella underneath. I don't get it. Tomorrow, we're gonna film it, water test. It'll be dark, but I think Cheese might come over. He is still kind of under the weather. He said he had a fever this morning, but I don't know if that's still the case or not. But he should be back with us. I'm thinking tomorrow we water test. Saturday, tomorrow's Friday, by the way. Saturday, I think we're gonna be on the water. I think we're gonna be on the water. We're gonna give it the true test. If it floats with me and CheezeBurger in it, hopefully we float. Hopefully we float in the old girl. Next time me and Cheese are together in a video, we will be doing the name reveal, by the way. Here's our plug. And for the first time, ladies and gentlemen, we have a drain plug. It's one of those ones that just hangs until you screw it in all the way. But I'm just gonna leave it like that. And she is in. She is in there like swimwear, baby. I'm not a very confident guy when it comes to my work. But I'm telling you right now, that is not gonna leak. Guarantee it. I have a lot of confidence in that JB Weld Marine. I'm just excited about this right here though. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Full of water. Ladies and gentlemen, that's a wrap on the drain plug. What's next? What's next? I don't even know. Are we good? Is it done? Paint. We gotta paint. We'll probably put it on the water before we paint it. Probably a smart thing to do, but yeah. Water test, then paint. Might do paint tomorrow and the water test Saturday. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But stay tuned because we're not done yet.